Engine plane, real jet engine plane fixing to fly up here. Still remote control, but it's got the actual jet fuel jet engine on it. He's over here warming up, getting everything set up. See what he can do with it. Not how much of this y'all been able to see. Hopefully y'all can hear him. There he is, off the ground. I really wish I had a good camera to show y'all this. This is some neat stuff. I'm sure this plane's getting up to speeds of over 100 miles an hour. Looks like he might be lining up to get a landing here. I believe he is. He's coming in awful low. Yep. I believe he's going to set her down. Good job. That's your pilot right there in the gray shirt with a black hat on.
What version is this?
Oh, he's stuck in the grass. That's pretty neat. I enjoyed that. We're going to have a 3D demonstration out here next week, I think, is what one of the guys told me a while ago. So may come back out here next weekend and do some more of this videoing for you. Y'all enjoy this kind of stuff, let me know. I enjoy it. But I'll see y'all here in a little bit.